Here we are at Last Drinks Beer and BBQ Festival here in Adelaide, and doors are about to open. This is the calm before the storm. These are the people about to come in, get pissed and eat brisket. It's a wild time. Let's check on them. Here's everyone waiting at the door. They're about to get unlocked and unleashed into the Beer and BBQ Festival in Adelaide. You guys excited or what? I think they are. Let them in. Let them in. Let them in. My favourite parts of the Beer and BBQ Festival every year is the sneaky, pickled, secret bar, the speakeasy. Where's it going to be this year? Let me reveal the secret. Unmarked, under a staircase. We're going. It's just in here.
You just won't be on the side.
Coming in. I'm coming in. If you don't mind, the cowboy hat's the password, right?
I let you down. You know it's not right. Why then don't you show it? You say you lost your faith. That's not where it's at. You have no faith.
Day 2 of the Beer and BBQ Festival in Adelaide. One of the biggest highlights of the whole weekend, the beer bod competition. It's happening back there on the main stage, and guess what? We need you. We need you. We need contestants. Look for me wandering around the grounds. If you want to get up there and roll around, get messy with beer. It's happening at 3 p.m. but we need you to sign up before then. Look for me or someone official with the clipboard from the Beer and BBQ Festival. Sign up. Get in there. Anyone can serve brisket in a platter, but since when does a beef rib come in a bowl of ramen? Look at this for thinking outside the square. Yes, Jeffy, the folks at Sneaky Pickle know what they're doing. One word to describe the Adelaide Beer and BBQ
You'd rather see me paralyzed.
Tasty. Very barbecuey. Beer only, liquid diet.
Get on the piss of the boys.
Excellent.
Absolutely excellent.
Heartbreaks you embrace. If I was a master,
Think about it, take your time.
And I know you're dissatisfied.
Excruciating.
Position and you'll
We're here at Prancing Pony. We got Darren here. What's been your most popular beer?
Definitely the India Red Ale.
Come on, cheers. We've got Scott here from Tiny Cheese. What's been your most popular pour?
Oh, Henry, it's definitely been the Pink Central Sour.
How you feeling, Henry?
I'm terrified.
Come on, Henry.
I'm dripping with sweat.
How's he going?
He's pretty good.
He just outlasted me.
The Kevin Sheedy up top, and shivers to the crowd and the judges. Ooh, push up. This is the best podcast I've ever listened to.